Grade 5 Emeralds, I welcome you all for your science class. As today's class is a revision class, before that, we start with the revision of our Viva questions, or I want to prepare you all how you have to attempt your exams, both oral and written, right? I hope your class teacher might have sent you the instructions regarding the oral and written examinations, but I want to make you all clear once in my class as well. I can feel disturbance. Harsrat, your mic is unmuted. Because of that, again and again, I'm getting disturbed. Right. Listen, student, very clear instruction. First of all, as today we are going to have the practice class for the same, so we will be following the same rules. The one first clear instructions to all of you is that your videos should be kept on. So switch on your videos, everyone. The very first instruction for the examinations is that your videos should be kept on during the whole examination. Are you knowing about it? Just thumbs up signs if you know about it. Has your teacher sent you the instructions? Just do the thumbs up sign if she has sent the instructions, and if not, then even then I will clear with you all, right? First instruction is that the video should be kept on, right? Second instruction, listen very carefully, because I will not let you enter in my class if one of the rules will not be obeyed. You remember the how we used to have the environment in the examination days? You remember, you people have conducted the examination. You have given the examination.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't unmute, don't unmute. Just thumbs up sign. Don't unmute. Just thumbs up sign. Please make sure you should not unmute yourself again and again in between. Let me clear with the instructions. Let me speak. Yes, students, you remember we need not to tell you the examination days, how the environment is. So many teachers are on duties, 2 or 3 teachers in the class, one teacher keep on coming to the class to check. So many observers are there. Corridor is sealed. You can't even speak for a single minute. You can't look here and there. This is the examination, right? Same way we are going to conduct the examination online this time. Anytime principal ma'am can come and check in between your Zoom class. Anytime Paminda ma'am can check. Anytime any other senior teacher or observer can come to check. And that very moment they will cut your marks. If they will tell that teacher observer to cut your marks, we will not.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Don't be late for the class. We will not be able to give you the marks afterwards. Clear? We have to follow the instructions. So don't give chance to anyone to point you out. If it would be my exam, I'll have to cut the marks. If you will violate the rules of the examination, I'll have to cut the marks. If in exam sometimes any person is caught cheating, doing the cheating, that person's paper would be cancelled. Na? Nobody can stop it. Same way, if you will not follow the rules during these online examinations, we will not be able to do anything after that. Examination is examination, right? So it's better you first only clear yourself with all the instructions. This class is being recorded. I am recording this class. I will be sending this recording later, so that if you have missed any point, you will listen. Lakshya, what are you doing with the camera? Sondi, sit properly. These things will not be allowed. You cannot hide your camera with your hand. Okay, please. It's showing as if you're hiding the camera with the hand. Don't do this. Okay, don't do this. Sit straight. In examinations, we have to sit very straight. I am clearing your instructions today. I am giving you the feel of that exam. You should be sitting straight. Sit straight. The clear instructions are given to us that all the students should be sitting on the table chair. But it's okay if in case you are not available, you don't have table chair. If you are sitting anywhere else as well, you should be sitting straight. Lakshya Kumar Jassal, don't touch the camera. Sit straight. Jassal. Soumya Gupta, why you people are touching the cameras? Don't touch it. Please don't move your hands. Sit straight. That's what I'm telling you. If you are sitting somewhere else as well, you should be sitting straight. And your camera should be focused in such a way that it should face the child's face. Amish, your examinations are going to cancel. I'm telling you. Nobody can stop. Don't complain me afterwards, ma'am. Why have you cut my marks in exam? Amish, why have you switched off your video again?
Ma'am.
Amish, why have you switched off your video now? Switch on your video right now, Amish.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Harsimar, Hasrat, switch on your video. Amish, I'll talk with you telephonically later. I'll call you. Yes, Lakshay.
Ma'am, but the BAMA said the camera focus should be on the copy.
I am coming to that point, Lakshay. I am coming to that point, students. Have I completed my instructions? No, no. Please mute yourself. Listen, two types of examination that there. I started the instruction with the Viva, isn't it? I started the instruction with the Viva, oral. I am talking about oral exam, Viva. When you have to give the answer, I just have to ask the question, you have to give the answer. That
My
time,
voice is not coming.
first of all, you mute yourself, then only you'll be able to hear me. Please, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Students, let me complete my instructions first, then only I'll let you to ask. I will give you time to ask for your queries. Let me complete my instructions. Can you all hear me? Thumbs up signs if you all can hear me. They all can hear me, but please check the connection from your side. Rest everybody can hear me. Another instruction, yes, listen, keep your hands down now. Another instruction, another clear instruction is that when you are giving the oral exam, the camera focus should be on your face. When you are giving the written exam, you are writing the assessments which you are going to start from 16th. That time you have to focus your camera on your notebook. Clear? Another instruction for my class. When I will be conducting your science viva, listen students, I am going to explain the rules of my science viva. I will be dividing you people in 1, 2 or 3 slots. Slots means group. Listen carefully, very carefully. Don't tell me afterwards, ma'am, we are confused. What is this? What have you sent? We are confused. I will be sending the list of the slots with your roll numbers. The way you have added yourself with your name, you have to add your roll number with it. For example, Avni Agarwal will write in front of her name roll number this. Avni Agarwal, roll number this. For example, Madhav Soni has written Madhav Soni, roll number 17. Full name you have to add yourself with, right? One more thing. Listen, how I told you I will take the science oral exam. Viva. Listen, I will be dividing the class in 3 groups or 2 groups. Roll number, suppose I have made one slot, slot A. Slot 1 is for roll number 1 to 10. Roll number 1 to 10 have to add themselves from the portal from at that very time only, right? At that very time only, roll number 1 to 10 will add themselves from the portal, right? Rest of the students, you have to add yourself from the portal according to the time slot given to you, right? Slot number.
Ma'am, on quiz 6.
And one more thing, if you will not add yourself with your own name, you will not be allowed to enter the class. Don't tell me afterwards, ma'am, I was sending you messages again and again, I was calling you again and again, you did not let me enter. We are not allowed to enter you people with any other names. Suppose one more child is being now going to add with the class, that is Joban Preeto number 14. No, I will not allow to enter with these names. I know my class name. You will not be
Excuse me,
allowed to
ma'am.
enter with any other name. Amish, yes, bache, will you please let me speak my instructions first? Yes, Amish. Speak now.
Ma'am, we will submit the test on quiz section.
Bache, I'm coming to that point. Right now I'm discussing oral assessment, okay? Written assessment,
Okay,
when you have
ma'am.
to submit, I will explain. First I'm explaining the oral assessment. No child will allow to enter the class, Viva class with other name. Joban Preet, Jaskirat, you cannot change your name afterwards, after joining the class. No. Right now, so you have changed your name. If you will enter with the name Joban Preet, no teacher will allow you to enter the class. Clear? So first only change your name with Jaskirat and then enter my class or any other class. We have strict instructions. We will be having principal ma'am, Praminda ma'am with us, any other teachers. So we have to follow the rules, right? I will not be allowing any child to violate the rules of my class. Be strict with it. Be careful. It's exam, right? Again and again, I'm telling. This is the reason I'm spending my whole period here for these instructions. Because I know work, as I have already sent revision work, you can revise. But these instructions, nobody will be able to explain you afterwards, isn't it? The way I'm able to explain you in the class right now, you will not be able to understand it afterwards through any messages. So listen very carefully. Good. This is the reason I am spending much of the time for this, because it's really important, right? If you forget anything, switch on the recording again, which I will send of this class, and listen again the recording, right? Another thing, now I was discussing that I will be dividing the class in 3 slots or 2 slots. You will be giving the timings according to your slots. Now let's talk about one slot. Suppose slot A has entered the class. Okay, 10 students have entered the class, have logged in through the portal for their class. Now I will be entering only 2 students at one time. Suppose roll number 1 to 10 have entered from the portal and they are getting the message. You will be continuously getting the message, host will let you in soon, host will let you in soon. because I will not let you enter. I will be entering at one time only two roll numbers. Clear? Because I'm not supposed to tell the questions to others which I'm going to ask from them. So you don't start panic. Ma'am, our teacher is not letting us enter. Binny ma'am is not letting us enter. We are just getting the message. Host is not letting us enter. Wait. You have to wait. Full half an hour we have. You know that your roll number is 5 or 6, so it will take time to enter you. If it's roll number 10, it will take more time to enter you, isn't it? It will come at the last. I can pick the random roll numbers as well. It's not necessary that I will be picking you roll number wise only. Out of roll number 1 to 10, I can pick any roll number first, okay? But you should be waiting in the waiting room. Waiting in the waiting room in Zoom class means that you will be getting the messages that host will let you in soon. You just enter portal, you just enter through the portal, log in through portal and wait for the teacher to enter you, okay? Don't panic. These were the instructions I wanted to clear you all, okay? Now, the moment you'll be giving the answer, I will tell you that, okay, your answer is done. Now you can leave the class. Then after you will leave the class. Don't go before that. I have given the answer. Now I'm going back. But if I have not listened the answer, then, okay? So first let your teacher tell you that, okay, roll number 2, you can leave. Then after you will leave the class, okay? Next, you people have to give your Viva exams and written exams in your school uniform. School uniform, house t-shirt. You know your teacher might have told you, you have to wear your house t-shirts. Listen, don't interrupt in between. Don't speak in between. Wait. You have to wear your house t-shirts, summer house t-shirts, not winter one. Summer house t-shirt. If in case you don't have your summer house t-shirt, you can wear your school shirt, summer school shirt, light lemon color, summer simple school shirt which you wear in the summers, right? If it's not with you as well, if you are a new student, then you can wear any white color t-shirt or white color shirt, right? White color shirt or t-shirt, or if you are not having white color shirt or t-shirt even, then you can wear any light color t-shirt, light pink, light lemon, cream color, which should look like white, okay? These instructions, if you will not follow, you will not be allowed to sit in the exam. Clear? Thank you, students. These were my instructions. Now I'm going to start with today's revision. Let's switch on to our topic. I am going to share my presentation with you all. Nervous system. Many times we have revised this. Yes. So I'm going to ask the questions. Pratesh, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Pratesh, what all are the organs which form to make which forms the nervous system? What all are the organs that work together and make the nervous system?
Ma'am, nerves,
Yes.
brain,
And
spinal cord.
good.
We are on the network, so can I connect otherwise?
Okay, yes, this one thing I also wanted to clear to you all. No child should be added in the exam with two devices. It's been seen that sometimes the one child is added with the two names, Amish, suppose, right? Suppose Dildeep, two names are there. No child will be allowed to enter with two devices. Clear? You have to check your device first only. It should be working properly and enter with one device only. Okay, next question is for Gurshandeep. Yes, Gurshandeep.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the main three parts of brain?
Ma'am, cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata.
Very good. Mute yourself. Amni Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Name the two hemispheres in which the brain is divided.
Left hemisphere and right hemisphere.
Good. Mishita.
Yes, ma'am.
Functions of cerebrum.
Ma'am, it is the first part of our brain. It controls the intelligence of our brain.
One more thing it controls. Sense organs. Okay, working of sense organs. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
good. Mute yourself. Amni, mute yourself. Thank you. Next, Harnoor.
Yes, ma'am.
Function of cerebellum. Quickly, Harnoor, unmute yourself. Harnoor, are you there? Function of cerebellum. Your voice is cut. Okay, Soumya Gupta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it controls the working of our body.
Movement of the body. It controls the movement of body.
Movement.
Very good. Very good. It helps
Body.
to move the body
Ma'am,
parts. Very good. Yes.
it help. It controls action of the muscles. Also.
Very good. Very good. Perfect. Good, Soumya. Well answered. Soumya is very intelligent now. Good. Next is Madhav Soni.
Yes, ma'am.
Functioning of medulla oblongata.
Ma'am, medulla control our blood circulation and breathing.
Controls the involuntary muscles, which includes the working of brain and heart. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Next we have Sparsh.
Yes, ma'am.
Working of spinal cord.
Ma'am, when brain is not working, then spinal cord.
Do you know, Sparsh? Even if we are sleeping, our brain is working. There is no time except death when the brain stops working. You can't use these words when brain is not working. You will say, ma'am, there are few actions where the brain doesn't involve, spinal cord is involved. That is reflex action. So in case of that, the actions are not controlled by brain. The actions are controlled by spinal cord. You will say this. You will not say brain is not working. I know you wanted to say this only, right? But you used wrong words. Yes, now your idea was this only, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what words you will use? When the brain, there are few actions which are not controlled by brain, which are controlled by spinal cord. Okay, beta? Very good. Can you please speak again this answer, Sparsh? Yes.
Few reflections of brain will
Not are not controlled by the
not
brain.
control
By
the
the
spinal
brain
cord.
controls
the
those
brain,
actions, right?
Spinal cord controls those actions.
Very good. Next we have Jaskirat. Jaskirat, unmute yourself. Jaskirat, unmute yourself. Aradhya Arora. Aradhya, unmute yourself. These students are not answering. Why? Yes, Sirat.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Aradhya, nerves are made of dash cells. Aradhya. Nerves are made of which cells?
Nerves are made up of nerve cells.
Nerve cells. What is another name for nerve cells?
Neurons.
Very good. Mute yourself. Good. Sirat Kochar, next question for you.
Ma'am.
Is Sirat here present with us?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which part of the nervous system carries the messages from brain to body parts and from body parts to brain?
Ma'am, nerves.
Very good. Mute yourself. Good. Navneet. Navneet. Navneet, can you hear me? Speak.
Ma'am,
Which hemisphere of the brain controls the left side of body? Which hemisphere of the brain controls the left side of body? No answer. Diljit.
Yes, ma'am.
Which hemisphere controls the left side of our body?
Ma'am, right
Very
hemisphere.
good. Very good. Intelligent boy. Good. Thank you. Dildeep.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, you want to unmute?
No, bache. Mute yourself, everyone. I have just called. Whose name I have called just now? Dildeep's name I have called?
Dildeep.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Shergil.
Can you tell the instruction again, ma'am? Because today I was there was
Shergil,
a
I will be sending the
network
recording
problem.
of this class. I will be sending the recording of the class. You can listen to that recording.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bache? Oh, fine, students. Now, I was asking the question from Dildeep. Dildeep, what is the function? Name
नहीं
few
कर दो मैं
functions.
कुछ
Oh, bache, please mute yourself. Who is this speaking in Punjabi? There are few. What all are the functions which are performed by the left side of brain? Yes, Dildeep. Name few activities that are controlled by the left side of brain. Dildeep, why your video is switch off? I have told to switch on the video. Dildeep, left side of brain. You know that we did the some of the activities which were performed by left side and right side, music, dance. Which all activities were performed by left side of brain? Have you revised that presentation again? Okay.
Music, dance.
Are you sure music was controlled by the left side? Okay. Dildeep, the question for you is name the part of eye which give colors to the eye. Dildeep, I have swapped the question. Name the part of eye which give color to the eye. You have not revised.
Ma'am, I can Gurshan.
No, Gushan, your turn is done. Lakshya Sondi. Lakshya Sondi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Give the answer then. Name the part of eye
Ma'am,
which
which
gives color to the eye.
ma'am, iris.
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 Correct. Good. Lakshya Kumar Jassal, are you there? Lakshya Kumar Jassal is there in the class?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, we will write the Viva question in our notebook also.
No, you will not write. You will just Viva means oral answers. Okay.
Ma'am, this which you are showing.
No, this you will not write. Yeah, today's questions you can write. It's a practice. Okay. After the class, you can write if you want. Yuvraj Singh Shergill.
Yes, ma'am.
Which nerves carry
Ma'am,
the
it is
messages?
compulsory to write.
You can have the practice if you will write. Okay, you should practice. Maybe it's a practice for your written examination. Spelling practice you will have. Okay, so it's better you practice it by writing. Yuvraj Singh Shergill, the question for you is which?
Yes, ma'am.
I forgot the question. Wait. Yes, which nerves carry the messages from sense organs to brain? What is the name given to the nerves which carry messages from sense organs to brain?
Ma'am, optic nerves.
I'm not asking especially for eyes. The nerve which carry messages from eye to brain is called optic nerve. Sorry, I'm asking sense organs. Which nerves carry messages from sense organs to brain?
Ma'am, sensory nerves.
Sensory nerve. Mute yourself. Good. Just
Thank you,
Kira.
ma'am.
Shergil, I can't see your face. Where is the camera? Where are you? Have you placed your camera, Shergil? I can't see your face. During exam, your camera only towards your face only. You were asking Shergil, please move your camera to your face only. Okay, it should not be anywhere else. Yes, just Kiran. The question for you is name the nerves. Name the nerves which carry messages from brain to sense organs. Yes. Brain to other parts.
Ma'am, sensory nerves.
Wrong. Beta, the brains which carry from sensory organs to brain is called sensory nerves. I am asking opposite of it. From brain to the sensory organs. That is motor nerves. Okay? Motor nerves.
Motor nerves.
Yes. Yes, who said
Excuse
in
me,
between? Who said excuse me?
Ma'am, ma'am, what is the syllabus of science?
Now, your teacher has not sent you the syllabus. I have sent to your class teacher.
Ma'am, number is
The same syllabus for that is for written exam. That the same chapters are for the viva. Same chapters for the oral exam as well, right? Your nervous system and your skeletal system and one more system which we have done, muscular system, right? Same chapters for your written exam.
Ma'am,
Same
the
chapters
first
for
aid
your
and
oral
safety
exam.
also.
Yes. Same chapters for oral exam, same chapters for written exam. Okay? You know the syllabus which is sent to you. Yes. Next we have, yes.
Ma'am, my younger brother have doubt session. So can I leave my second mobile?
Okay. Next we have, yes, next we, just wait. Next we are going to have, we discussed about human eye. Next question I'm going to ask from, I think till now, each and every child's turn has come from the class, those who are attending the class. Is there any child who is left for the turn? Tell me honestly, tell me your name. Amish is left. Amish, unmute yourself. Amish? Amish is there in the class? No. Ritesh, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, my turn has come.
It's okay, I'm starting again. Name 3 main parts of ear, human ear.
Ma'am, outer ear. Ma'am, ma'am, I have to tell the functions too.
Yes, explain the human ear.
Ma'am, human ear has 3 parts: outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear.
Okay,
Outer ear, we can see and touch.
okay.
In middle ear, there is a eardrum, and we cannot see nor touch. Inner
Right,
ear.
right.
When the voice goes to the inner ear, it vibrates and sends this to the brain. Brain tell which voice is it, and that we can hear.
Very good. Well answered. Good. Thank you. Now I'm giving you time to you people to start solving your worksheet. The worksheet I have already shared, right? Easy worksheet based on the simple questions which I discussed in the class as well, right? Start solving the worksheet so that you'll be able to complete within this time only. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask because then I'll leave the class and I'll be giving you time for solving the worksheet. Is there any doubt you want to ask?
No,
Leave the
ma'am.
class.
No,
Start
ma'am.
solving your worksheet, right? Thank you, students.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye,